Artificial intelligence in education is what's literally going to change the world. Imagine if you're able to literally create smart people everywhere. Imagine everyone got free, cheap, affordable education and everyone was getting results because there was a personalized teacher that was helping you with all your weak points. Artificial intelligence within education is what's going to change the world. And that's exactly why I want to be learning about how artificial intelligence is used within education, because that's exactly what I want to do with my platform. I want to go ahead and create a program and a software and an education experience that implements AI so that all our students get the best results possible. I want to create thousands of success stories all over the world, and in order to do so, I need to go ahead and utilize AI. Artificial intelligence in education. One, this is the most important thing. Differentiated and individual learning. AI in education generally focus on identifying what students does and doesn't know through diagnostic testing, then developing personalized curricula based on each student's specific needs. There are several companies such as Content Technologies and Carnegie Learning which are currently developing intelligent instruction design and digital platforms that use AI to provide learning, testing and feedback to students from pre-kindergarten to college level. That gives them challenges that they're ready for, identify gaps within their knowledge and redirects them to the new topics when appropriate. Unlike a school setting when people are just moving through topics after topics, and if there's gaps, these gaps just keep stacking on top of each other and eventually just crumbles. AI can go ahead and really redirect people to re-watch or relearn those gaps that they're missing out on. As AI gets more sophisticated, it might be possible for a machine to read the expression that passes on a student's face that indicates they're struggling to grasp a subject and will modify a lesson to respond to that. The idea of customizing curriculum for each student's need is not viable today, but it will be for AI-powered machines. We'll be able to go ahead and create virtual mentors. AI-based platforms offers virtual mentors to track the student's progress. Of course, only human teachers can understand the scholar's needs better, but it is good to get instant feedback from a virtual tutor, an NPC, a non-player character that gives you live feedback based on the results on how you're currently performing. This is powerful. Imagine you can have a live teacher 24/7 that knows you more than your teacher because it has all the data and it knows where you're struggling with. Next, see gaps. Different training courses allow seeing gaps in students' knowledge. For example, the Coursera platform can notify the teacher if many students choose incorrect answers to a particular question. As a result, the tutor has an opportunity to pay attention to that demanded topic that everyone's struggling with, and the teacher can double down and focus on teaching that topic again to make sure students can succeed. Next, there's new efficiencies. We can then learn that we only need to spend less time on A and more time on B. So one study found that 34 hours on the Duolingo app is equivalent to a full university semester of language education, which is just crazy. Check out this individualized learning curricula. So based on this student's score, based on their sort of initial tests, we can go ahead and change the amount of topics and the amount of volume each topic can be used within that module. And this is super cool because each person will have its own graph and it'll be literally an individualized curriculum for every single student based on what their weaknesses and strengths are. If they're strong at something, there'll be less topics on those videos, and if they're weak at something, there'll be more topics on those videos. So literally, so much time is saved and the student just gets a much better experience. So yeah, that is artificial intelligence within education. This is my goal. Like, I want to go ahead and really implement this into my program. And in order to do so, I need to learn and research about AI, and that's exactly why I'm producing these videos for you guys. I want to pass on what I learned. As always, these slides completely for free in the description below, so be sure to get them. I just want to give you guys as much value as possible, so get them for free. Let's go ahead and announce last week's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, the consultant course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. On that, I really appreciate all the support and effort that you guys are putting to watch to the end. I just want to say thank you for all the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with nothing but more value. Peace.